They're trusting us with their hopes and dreams. Instead of just saying, I think I want to do this, now you find out whether you've got it or not.
This program is like nothing else.
There's no other place in the world where you can get this opportunity.
It's the perfect environment. The entire league is here.
And these people are putting in the work and they're developing the skills.
I've never seen anything like it. This is family. You fall down, we pick you up.
Everything about this week, word I would use to describe it is beautiful.
I'm really excited to see the stuff that I didn't see.